Welcome to Hypercar Global, the channel that talks about the Cybertruck, electric vehicles, Tesla and Elon Musk. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing, and if you enjoy the video, please leave a like to help support the channel. Without any more hesitation, let's get straight into the video. Piper Sandler's Alexander Potter warns Tesla's Cybertruck is likely to be delayed. Here are the novel techniques Tesla is bringing with the Cybertruck that put the delivery date at risk. Piper Sandler analyst Alexander Potter recently hosted Electric Truck Day. In the event, analysts from Piper Sandler had the chance to chat with 11 different management teams working in the electric truck space. Based on the event, Piper Sandler has divided players in the electric truck space into three. 1 is battery and drivetrain specialist. 2, no-frills light/medium-duty vehicle makers. And 3, new vehicle brands targeting high-volume segments. In the short term, Alexander Potter believes companies from Category 2, meaning ones going for more niche markets and ones not trying to develop their in-house battery and powertrain capabilities, will be the most likely to generate revenue. However, in the long term, the true winners will come from the first and third categories. And Piper Sandler believes Tesla combines the expertise of battery and powertrain and also is one targeting high-volume segments. Potter considers high-volume segments to be the Class 8 truck market and the pickup truck market. And Piper Sandler believes Tesla with the Semi and Cybertruck is the company most likely to succeed. Piper Sandler puts competitors to Tesla in two categories. First is established companies with a long history of making Class 8 and pickup trucks. Few names from this category that are developing electrified versions of their vehicles include Ford, Freightliner, Volvo, and Packard. However, the companies mentioned won't be the only competition Tesla will face. Other names looking to play in the electric truck space include new entrants such as Zoes, Rivian, Arrival, and Nikola. Still, Piper Sandler believes Tesla is the most likely to succeed. As a result, the company has an overweight $1,200 price target for the stock. Tesla's stock closed at $630 on Wednesday. So if Piper Sandler is so bullish on Tesla, why does the firm believe Cybertruck's delay is likely? The firm's note, Alex Potter writes, Tesla remains one of our highest conviction long ideas, but even better entry points could lie ahead. Temporary sell-offs seem likely because, over the next 6+ months, there is a high degree of unpredictability in Tesla's production ramp. Continuing, Potter writes, this is particularly true for the company's new plants in Germany and Texas, the latter of which will be producing both battery and truck-related products using novel manufacturing techniques. The Cybertruck will be the first mass-market vehicle with an exoskeleton chassis and stainless steel body. This on its own is a radical departure from tried-and-true manufacturing techniques. As a result, just this part of the manufacturing process could be a huge risk to the production start date. However, this is just the beginning. Tesla is bringing multiple first-of-a-kind with the Cybertruck. For one, Tesla, in order to produce the bed of the Cybertruck, has commissioned the world's largest gigapress at 8,000 tons of force. In addition, the Cybertruck will use an in-house Tesla-created first-of-its-kind stainless steel alloy. Added to this, the Cybertruck will also incorporate several breakthroughs announced at Tesla's Battery Day event. These are the new 4,680 cells with the tabless design, nickel cathode, and silicon anode. Plus, the Cybertruck will also have a structural battery pack design. And if all these new untested production techniques weren't enough of a risk to cause a delay, Tesla, before the company can start producing the Cybertruck, also has to first build and tool the Texas Gigafactory. And the Cybertruck will also follow Model Y, which will be the first vehicle that will be produced at Giga Texas. Musk also seems to be aware of all the hurdles Tesla has to cross if the company is going to deliver the Cybertruck before the end of 2021. Speaking in his latest appearance on the Joe Rogan podcast, Musk said, if we are lucky, we will deliver the Cybertruck by the end of this year. So what do you think? What are the chances Tesla can start Cybertruck production before the end of this year? Also, do you think if the Cybertruck is delayed, Tesla's share price will fall? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Now let's take a look at the new Model S Plaid, that has been spotted, with a Yoke steering wheel. Tesla Model S with Yoke steering wheel, Plaid Badge spotted near Fremont Factory. In what is becoming a more frequent occasion, The Tesla Model S Plaid was spotted near the Fremont Factory on Friday. Sporting a Yoke steering wheel and a Plaid badge on the rear bumper, Tesla's new variant of the Model S sedan is sure to be making its way to customers shortly. The Model S Plaid was spotted near the Tesla Fremont production plant on Friday evening by Model 3 owner and Tesla enthusiast at BLKMDL3. The Fremont production plant has been one of the most frequent sighting spots for the Model S refresh, unveiled by Tesla officially in late January in the Q4 2020 earnings call update letter. Although Teslarati and the Kilowatts first spotted the Model S refresh at the Fremont test track well before the earnings call, Tesla dropped several significant updates regarding the vehicle's interior design. One of the most notable was the Yoke steering wheel, an addition that came as a shock to many Tesla fans. If you are enjoying the video, please leave a like, and if you are new to the channel, why not subscribe? While it has been rumored, but not confirmed, that the Yoke steering wheel will be reserved for the Plaid and Plaid Plus variants of the Model S and Model X, it remained unclear for several weeks whether Tesla would have the ability to include the supercar-style steering column within its interior. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, has told Teslarati recently that the Yoke steering wheel was under review and that Tesla was in communication with the government agency regarding the wheel's inclusion with the vehicle. At BLKMDL3's photographs of the Model S confirm one thing that was evident upon initial sightings of the refreshed sedan from Tesla: the exterior of the vehicle is wide, robust, and perfect for an improved driving experience that features updates to aerodynamics and handling. The new Model S is evidently wider than previous builds and features standard diffusers in the front for improved air displacement, as well as a larger central air intake vent for improved airflow and ventilation to the battery pack. Thanks to the new photographs, Tesla fans are also getting some of the first looks at the Plaid badge that will be placed on the rear bumper of the vehicle. The most evident way to determine what variant of a Tesla vehicle you're looking at, the Plaid badge is sure to be seen more frequently in the coming months, as the new Model S should begin deliveries in April or May. Tesla CEO Elon Musk recently told Teslarati that there are still many fine details to address with the Model S Plaid, but the final product will be fantastic. "There's nothing else even close," Musk said. "If you want to know when I upload, please turn on the notifications for the channel. You can do this by pressing the bell next to the subscribe button. This way you'll keep up to date with all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news." Do you like the look of the new Yoke steering wheel? And do you think the Cybertruck will be delayed possibly until 2022? Let me know in the comments your opinion and I will reply to all your ideas. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to support the channel.